let us discuss the differences between var and let declaration. So there is a fundamental difference is there. By using the var, we can create global or function variables. But by using the let, we can create global, function, or block level variables. Let us see a simple example and let us understand the same. Now, the first declaration. The first line I created I variable. It is a number equal to 100. This one I called as a global variable. Sir, why it is called as a global variable? Because this variable is available for all the functions, sir. Means it is available for the M1, it is available for the M2 also. That is why I call this variable as a what, sir? Global variable. Now, this one I call it as a function variable or local variable. Sir, why it is called as a local variable? Because this variable I declared inside the function. This variable I declared inside the function. That is why it is called as a local variable or function variable. Now, let us see, sir, the k. The k is created inside the block. That is why k is called as a block level variable. That is why we call it as a block level variable. Now, observe a global variable is available for all function. A function variable is available inside the function, but a block level variable should be available inside the block only. But right now I am able to access k outside the block also. Why? Because the variable is created by using var. So by using the var, there is no block level scope. In order to overcome this one, TypeScript people introduced what is a keyword, sir? Let. TypeScript people introduced what is a keyword? Let. By using the let, I can create global variable or function variable or local variable as well as the block level variable. Since it is available the functionality right now, the k only access inside the block, but if you try to access it outside, what is the one it is telling? It is exactly working in the expected way and it is giving the error. This is what the difference between var and let. So by using the var, we can create only global or function variables. By using the let, we can create global, function, block level variables. Now I am asking the question, in general, in the real time, we use what is the one, sir? The latest one, let. So in the future example also, I always use the let.